This 2022 Prime Time Avenger 24 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Prime Time is 28 feet 2 inches in length and features one slide-out, a DUSK interior, sleeps 8, refrigerator, leveling jacks, stove top burner, Colorado Detector, external shower, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, smoke detector, awning, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Prime Time Avenger 24 BHS is 5,588 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.